Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this is well, it's been a while since I recorded another video about Python and about doing everything in Python. Yeah, have you ever wanted to automatically extract Google ads like this, right? And yeah, it's extract real Google ads result like titles, descriptions, and landing pages, all using Python. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a powerful Google Ad scraper that uses SERP API. Although you can use other API out there like Oxylab, what you call this? Let me see here, like Oxylabs, Serp, and then there's other API out there like let me see, you can also use API like data for SEO, Aussie Labs, real-time SERP, and SenSERP. But I'm using SERP API. That's just because it's too quick. It's very fast, and it provides you with free 250 searches or credits. And then yeah, you can use it for testing and for getting more data, and then check if those data are correct, so that you can go ahead and get more API credits in the future. Okay, if you find it more interesting or more, the data is very useful. Okay, and because yeah, the SERP API, with this SERP API pulls real search add data for any keywords and locations, and it also going to provide you with what you call this key if you're using keywords and locations, yeah, it's really good. Okay, this scraper are all structured and ready for analysis, right? Now this project is called AU Ads Scraper because it is for a client in Australia, and he's going to purchase the ad or the scraper because yeah, we able to to agree to a deal, and he's all going to pay this for 1,000 Australian dollars, and we end up with the amount of 900 Australian dollars. Okay, because I'm not, just for the purpose of getting more clients. Okay, I'm not saying that getting more clients you have to decline or you have to decrease the amount, because it depends on the application that you're going to create. Because I'm not telling you this is easy, all right? I'm not telling you it's hard, okay? But if you are doing the application, if you're doing this kind of stuff almost every day. Yeah, it can be done, but it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy, and it's sometimes it failed, even though you're doing everything you could to achieve the goal. Sometimes when you run it, right, it doesn't work. But this one, it works. Okay, and as you can see here on the CSV file, all the these are just a replicate what's in here in the debug folder. Now, I'll show that to you later on. We're going to run it, okay? Because right now I still have some 250 searches in SERP API, so I still have roughly 128, I guess. Yeah, 128 searches or credits. Okay, so yeah, we're going to do that right now. And then this project is called, like I told you, right? Ad scraper. It reads list of keywords in here, and also it pair that with location, right? The location which is in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane. Those are the only example, just for the purpose of showing to you that it really works. Okay, keywords. The keywords are also, hold on. Yeah, the keywords. The keywords that we are going to get are blockchains, black drains, sorry, emergency plumber, garden landscaper, local electrician, plumber near me, and roof repair. Now this kind of scraper, it's very specific. Okay, I mean it must be. I mean it mustn't get the US data. All right, it must have. It must be using. Yeah, I mean it must extract the ads from AU location. Okay, and then like I told you, it's going to fetch or it's going to read the list from keywords and location from CSV file, then connects to the SERP API search to fetch the data directly from Google, including advertiser's name, titles, description, URLs, and even host domain. All the results are saved in CSV and JSON. Yeah, the JSON is located here under the bug, and then in for to have a full transparency to the client who's going to purchase this application. Now, this folder includes SERP API, which is this one, okay, and then that's the main entry point, and then the SERP API adapter, which is like a conduit, a connector, okay, that works hand in hand with the main application, which is this one. It's a short code. It's 27 lines of code. The main SERP API has 152 lines of code, so it's real short. And also, this is a it's called this only a CLI, okay, command line interface. You just have to type the command here, and it will going to scrape what needs to be scraped. Okay, and then it automatically handles multiple keywords, multiple cities, say broad JSON, debug files, and write a clean CSV file right down here in every add line neatly labeled. Okay, and I even include fallback logic and for the mobile and desktop searches and location-based targeting, similar to how the professional and intelligence tools work. Okay, I mean this kind of scraper or this kind of application is already in the market today, but you have to purchase it much. It is really expensive. Okay, there's a one-time purchase only. If the client going to purchase the application, it's only a one time, and then he can use the application as long as he likes. Okay. Now the result of like a plumber or across Melbourne pulling real ad copy, what you call this display URL and all the credits or the secrets or the what you call this the key the secret keys, sorry, and structured folders are also here. Okay, and I can show you the API, okay, but the API is here. Okay, so you can search it here. Okay, so there's the API is also on this portion up above. It's a very long API code, so I have other clients that needs. There's a chatbot I created, and this one it will going. I'll show that to you later on, and this will going to run on Windows I'm sorry on a browser. Okay, I'll show that to you later on, but this is going to be on the next video. I'm just going to show you the interface and how it works. And yeah, but this one, yeah, we're going to run it right now, and then what I'm going to do, by the way, just to make sure it will going to work, or just to show you that it will going to work, I'm going to delete this CSV file. Going to delete that permanently. Okay, but it's still in the recycle bin. Okay. Now this debug, I can't do it one by one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the folder, which is this one, and then I'm going to go to the debug. It's here. Control A, Shift, delete, delete all. Okay, it's gone. And then I'm going to go back. You can see there's none. Out, debug. There's no add. I mean the CSV file is not here. Debug is not here. Okay, and that's it. And then I'm going to go back here. As you can see, the debug is showing up right now, because if there is content on that folder, it's going to be hidden. Okay, unless you click on the this one. Okay, even if you're going to go there, I mean, if we're going to open the out folder. Okay, it will not going to. I mean, there's none. There's none there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to run the file. Okay, but we're going to clear it. Going to open that up. Okay, as you can see, the debug is gone. Okay, because if we're going to go here, as you can see, they are all here. Okay, we're going to open one of the JSON file. As you can see, there's a lot. Okay, there's a lot in there. Okay, there's a lot of data that was scraped. And if we're going to go to CSV file, it was also copied one by one, all of it, okay, per location. Okay, so if you're going to go to my this one, going to refresh the scraper, I mean the SERP API, you can see I already consumed 158 searches or credits. So I only have roughly less than 100. Okay, yeah, I'll probably 90, 92. Oh no, yeah, almost 92. Yeah, 92 searches already. I'm the left on my credits. So that's it. As you can see, this project purely for educational and research purpose. Always respect API, rate limits, and data policy. I recommend using SerpApi API. It's really fast, and since it's fully compliant and handles all scraping infrastructure legally. And yeah, if you find this interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you like. If you like to build a next level of application that you're thinking right now, maybe any kind of version, right? Just let me know. Send me an email so I can post it on my video on on my channel. I mean, if you have any kind of application in mind that you want to build, visualize, add data with charts, or use AI to summarize trends, let me know. Okay, send me an email or comment down below. Okay, like I told you earlier, I'm going to show you the chat bot. I mean, it's part of the deliverables of this client that it should be included in the app, which is the web UI, Docker docs, and tests. 40%. It's not 40% anymore, it's 100%. Okay, so the all codes work product is 100% my his IP, and then no third party license, time bombs, and yeah, it will not going to be honored by the client if not using his IP. Now to include in the application, so I'm not using any proxy for this because the client will going to use his own IP. And yeah, we're going. It's I mean the only thing that is going to be used is the SERP API. So that's part of the project. It needs to use an API to work. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to show you the chat bot. Here's a chat bot. I've stopped the chat bot, and let me okay, just going to shrink this to PowerShell. Okay, and then I'm going to run the code. Okay, this is a Streamlit chatbot. This is the one. Okay, it's not that long. Actually, almost 200, I guess. Yeah, 204. And it uses the, you can see it's also here. All right, also there. Okay, all the information are there. So we're going to close that out. We're going to delete the file. Going to delete this debug. And to do that, we need to go over here. Mhm. Back end. Okay, rest out. Debug. Debug. Going to close. Okay, it's done. It's out now. Okay, this is the Botster UI, and then we're going to run the app. Okay, hold on. I'm going to close. I'm going to clear the screen, and that's the command. That's a streamlit run chatbot.py. Okay, it's running right now in the host. Okay, it's not yet polished. Okay, but it's currently working. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is hi there. How can I help you? Okay, so what we're going to do is to find a company, okay, a company name, right? And what you call it's an industry. Let's see, plumber. I said near me. Then Queensland. Let's see, Australia. Okay, Queensland, Australia. Let's see here again. Let's go to the app. Because we're going to check if the app is currently, I mean, in the folder or in the CSV file, if the data is not there actually. Okay, but in the other app, we see if the location is also located Queensland, as you can see here, Queensland, right? Or you can also put Brisbane. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to send it. As you can see, it gave us the result, right? The ad result of the app. And then if you're going to go back to the app, okay, it will going to have the copy of that. All right, here. Okay, so the host, the let's see, the display, the description is also here. Although it's not I mean you cannot see that in the Streamlit, but it works because when you say near me, it should be near me, okay? But you can also type in here, let's see, block drains, let's say Melbourne, Sydney, let's say Sydney, Australia, okay? Send. So you can see it, block drains expert, Sydney block drains expert, and if you go to get the if you go there on the app, because it's not there, you're going to close that out, going to go back there, it should be there right now, here, okay, right. So I'm going to show you to you in the next video. So for now, if like I said, if you have anything to if you have any video that you want to or project that you want to feature in the in the what you call this in the channel, just let me know. Send me an email or post a comment down below. Okay. Until then, thank you very much for listening or for watching the video.